Researching the market for a 2008 Holden Commodore. If you're looking for a vehicle with great attributes, look no further.
With a reliable engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, stability control, curtain head airbags, power mirrors.
Premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system.
And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included. Find out all you need to know to purchase this vehicle today.